Don't do this. Taking you guys on a little pointless ride with me. I tried to record a video the other day when I got this bike back from the garage. They said that they fixed the overheating issue. They didn't. I called them again. I said, look, it's still overheating, it is not fixed. Can you have a look at the thermostat? Because I've been told by other garages it's a thermostat, can you just check it? They said, yeah, they'll try a new unit. I took it back to them the next day. They called me like 40 minutes later, said it's fine, everything works. So I took it back. They didn't charge me for that, thankfully, because they didn't fuck anything. But I took it back home, and yeah, it overheated. Temp light came on, so I kind of got annoyed. I phoned them again. I said, look, it's not worked, and they tried saying that either my radiator is leaking or my head gasket's gone. Now, I called up Motorcycle Torbay Repairs, and they told me it's the thermostat. He's dealt with another bike that had the same exact issue. So I went down to get the panel anyway for this bike, and I had a little talk with him. I asked him, like, how much are you going to charge me for it? Because, you know, when I took this off Exeter, they charged me £413, and they didn't fix anything. So this guy said he'd do it me for 80. He's done it, and we were correct. It is the thermostat. The thermostat was permanently closed. The thermostat was shut closed. It wouldn't open. They cleared out the little hole, tried it again, and it still wouldn't open. So they put it in boiling water to test it, and yeah, they found out that the thermostat is just faulty. So at the moment the bike's running without a thermostat. I will buy a thermostat and get Kevin in Torbay to fit it. But yeah, massive thank you to him for actually doing my bike properly and not charging me a fortune to do absolutely cool. You take care of a broken soul. You hold me now. Me home. Sorry, that's my little singing over for a minute. Quite enjoy a little alone time, you know. Update as well. Hurry up and turn. There is a Devon ride out this Saturday. When you guys are watching this, the Devon ride out would have already happened, and you guys can look forward to that being the next video. So today I'm just testing the cameras correct, ready for Saturday, and yeah, in here. I've also not got a tinted visor on tonight. I actually had the smart idea of changing my tinted visor to a clear visor so I could see tonight. I slipped on that drain a bit. There is one more thing as well I need to say about the garage that this bike first went to. How the hell do you test drive a motorcycle and not notice that both my tyres are well under 36 psi, which is what they're meant to be at? because I could, when I was driving the bike back home, I could feel that my tyres were flat, and yeah, they didn't look at the tyres. Like, I know that's not what I said to do, but if you test drive a motorbike after doing repairs, if you know that the tyres are flat, surely you just put some air in, right? And then you can charge me a bit more, innit? Like, though, if they charged me more, I'd have been fuming, because 400 quid and you guys didn't do what actually needed to be done. Oh mate, these potholes are really getting on my nerves, you know. I don't want them on yet. Seems there's roadworks literally everywhere now. It is a 40, I don't know why they're doing 30. Oh, the city's gonna break my heart. It's been a couple months since I felt like I'm home. There's speed cameras down there. I don't know if I knew that or not. Close that way for f***'s sake. Why do they close every just way, bro? This place pisses me off. The bike doesn't feel like it's getting hot either. Like, normally I can feel it on my legs here, just warming up. Like, the plastics would get really warm. To me, they're just closing the road and having a little look at them. And by look, I mean just sat around having a chat. Because every time a road reopens, they've never fixed it. Or they've made it worse somehow. This bike needs a very good clean. My number plate is very dirty. I'm expecting, if the police gets behind me, I'm expecting to be pulled over and told to wipe my plate. Because, yeah, it is quite dirty. You can still read it, but it's to the point where any more dirt really gets on it and it will be hard to read. So I'm expecting to get told to wipe it, but make some good content, that, you know. Don't know who that is, but hello. I don't know if they were putting their hand up to me or not, but I want them bikers just to whiz up to me, bro. Give me something to do. I don't know if they were breaking down actually, because they were on the side, innit? Should have asked. I don't think, it didn't click into my mind there that they could have just broke down. I apologise if you have broken down and I've just ridden past you. There's that speed coming up there, look, with a microphone on it as well. I thought that was peace, I just shit myself. Alongside here. I'm still indicating like a retard. They're going down there. I'm going here. Let's go. You guys can listen to my music because I'm going full blast now. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. I'm heading home, and I'll put some clips of my drive back home, and it will probably involve my dumbass singing. So yeah, enjoy. No! Try and dance here and I miss the way you watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. There's a speed camera down there somewhere. At least that's what it says. I've never wanted to find out. Where's the road go? You guys are probably seeing more than what I fucking see. I'm surviving, I ain't living, I ain't died yet. But this food ain't gonna digest. Warming up, I'm on the sideline doing side steps. Dialing, is she coming over, baby? Gotta dial in. Talking money, they won't understand my dialect. Put up on you direct, that's just how I slide in. The haters gotta see me, yo, 48. Watch out for the 48, the back door. When you saying that you stack more, talks cheap, tell me why I got a chat for. Don't want to be in the middle. Oh, you fuck pothole. That really hurt. That really fucking hurt. My balls have gone inside me. I'm staying the way you move. Makes me feel like I can't live without you. You are the way I want you to stay. Fuck, man. Turn your fucking high beams off. I can't see anything with your high beams on. I can hardly see when your high beams are off. When they're on, I'm guessing where the f I'm going, because I can't see except from a bright ass white ball. Pet peeve, man. That's why I stopped driving at night. Just irritates me. A lot of things irritate me, if you guys could tell.